everyone! Today we will be exploring the
Asexual
and sexual reproduction in the plants. So what are you waiting for? Let's go!
So what is asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction is a process by which new individuals are produced without the involvement of gametes, or fertilization. It allows plants to reproduce rapidly and efficiently, as they can produce numerous offspring that are genetically identical to the parent plant. So here's the materials needed for planting: knife, scissor, a pot with soil, and the stem.
It's planting time, so here's the procedure on how to plant the Malabar spinach. Let's go!
First, cut off a section of the vine. Second, cut the leaves. Third, put the stem in water. It takes about a week for roots to form. Once the cutting has the roots, plant it in a pot with the soil and keep it moist for a few weeks. As I have observed, after 1 week, as the plant continues to grow, leaves start to form. Initially, they may be small and delicate, but over time, they become larger and more complex in structure. Leaves play a crucial role in photosynthesis, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy for the plant.
Thank you for watching. I hope you find it informative and inspiring. Happy planting!
Good day! Today we will be discussing and showing to you the sexual reproduction in plant. So what is sexual reproduction in plant?
Sexual reproduction in plants refers to the process by which plants produce offspring through diffusion of gametes. In this type of reproduction, plants have specialized structures for the production and transfer of gametes. The male reproductive organ is called the stamen, which produces pollen-containing sperm cells. The female reproductive organ is called the pistil, which contains the ovary where the ovules are located. The process of sexual reproduction in plants involves the transfer of pollen from the stamen to the pistil. This can occur through various mechanisms such as wind pollination, insect pollination, or self-pollination. Once the pollen reaches the pistil, it travels down to the ovary and fertilizes the ovules. This fertilization process leads to the formation of seeds, which contain the genetic information from both the male and female parent plant. Sexual reproduction in plants allows for genetic diversity and variation among offspring, as the combination of genetic material from two parent plants result in unique traits in the offspring. This diversity is important for the adaptation and survival of plant species in changing environments. And now I will show you the actual demonstration of sexual reproduction in plant using the compound seeds. And here are the materials needed in this activity. The first one is we need to use bolo, of course, the soil, the kangkong seed, and the pot or any recyclable cups or recycled cups. You may use it. The first thing we need to do is to prepare all the materials needed for the activity. And then, get your pot, or if you prefer to use a recycled cups, just like I did, you may use it. And make sure that you make a small holes in your pot so that when you water the new planted seeds or crop, the water will not stuck on the pot. Next, make a small hole about 6.5 inches and then put the planted seeds in the soil and cover it. Finally, water the new planted seeds with a small amount of water.
The 7 days observation. It's transfer time. Plants has its own ways and techniques in producing or making their genes reproduction through the way of sexual reproduction. Hence, humans are not the only one who has the capacity to reproduce their own blood and flesh, but also all living organisms, just like the plants did.